Okay, guys, here we go. Another mini mystery box of awesome. So this is the December box, guys. So I'm hoping that since it's around Christmas time that they'll put something really awesome in this time. If you're curious to see what they put in my bag this month, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you another mini mystery box of awesome. Okay, guys, so we know this box has never been awesome for me, and it's actually not a box, it's a bag, but whatever. Details. Let's see what they sent me this month. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Here's the little logo, how it says, stay regular, the mini mystery box of awesome, all that fun stuff. It's a little bigger than normal. Let's see what's in here. See what happens. I'm never excited about this one anymore. Okay, so that's like the big thing. It doesn't matter. Whatever. It's a jumbo swoosh stress toy. Includes everything you need. Here you go, guys. That's my first item, and that was what was the biggest item. I'm actually kind of curious about this, to be honest with you, because honestly, I think my son will enjoy this. So I'm not super mad at this at all. I do think that my son will enjoy playing with this, so this is fine. It's fine. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, ooh, Christmas tree. All right, guys, this is one of my favorite things about this little thing. I'm paying $10 for a piece of paper with words, like puzzles and stuff that I could probably get online for free. But nonetheless, they have like a little winter word search, and then you can color the tree. And they don't have anything today, or in this one, that says, something off the wall that I challenge you guys to do. So there's that. Awesome. All right. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, is this for real? So this is a 3D kinetic spring, as seen on YouTube. I don't remember seeing these on YouTube, but awesome. Okay, here you go. There's that. Awesome. Okay, so listen, it's Christmas time. I have a ton of nieces and nephews, and if I don't think my son will want this, I can definitely give it to one of them. So this isn't a huge miss, but I don't know how awesome it is. I don't know, maybe it is awesome. But it says the retail price is $7.99, so that's almost the cost of the bag. So there you go. Awesome. All right, so this is the last thing. There's one more thing in here, guys. So it's LED reflective safety bands. Woo! Yeah! I was hoping that they would put these in here. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, yeah, safety first, guys, right? So I definitely would need these if I decide to ever go out in the middle of the night for a jog, which I don't jog, and I live in the country. I'm just saying. So yeah, I'm so glad that they put these in here. That is awesome. All right, guys. So am I going to cancel the subscription? I don't know. Probably not. This is too much fun. I just might go ahead and keep it. This one is $9.99 a month. So if you're interested in getting the mini mystery box of awesome, I will link everything in the description box below. I think I found this one on Cratejoy or one of those, subscription addiction website things. So I will link everything in the description box below. They do have other sizes of this box. I would never upgrade based on what they're putting in this one. I mean, if they put something awesome in this one, then I would definitely want to upgrade, because I think the next one's like $35 a month, and I'm not going there because I would get $35 worth of junk. $10, it's fun, let's do it, whatever. But $35 is definitely pushing the envelope. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so I don't want to start this. Hold on. I'm going to try to throw it. It might be a disaster. I'm going to try. Okay, guys, so that didn't work. Wow, that was a disaster. One more time. Okay, guys, so we can't throw it. Okay, guys, so that sounded weird. Like, just weird. Try it again.